My name is Tushar Madani. I am the founder and CEO of CoolReach. We are into cold chain logistics, as you can see from our logo, and our motto is personalized logistics with the heart. So we provide a personalized solution to all our clients according to their shipments and their needs.
My name is Michael O'Kane, and I am the Strategic Director for CoolReach, and I'm supporting Tushar and our wonderful team here at the brilliant Advanced Therapies event.
So presently, the challenging things the clients are facing is price rising. The cost of living and everything has gone up. So that's why we come out with the solution is we do work with like 10 different packaging companies. We do work with 10 different data logger companies where we can provide the solutions that they require within their budget, rather than we just going in, they say, we are using this and it's going to be X amount, or we are using this, it's going to be X amount. But with us is we are giving them the options to use different type of packagings as well as different type of data loggers.
For me, the challenges are looking at the what if complexity. So we're very proactive in helping companies understand if something goes wrong, how do we fix that? How do we solve that? So at CoolReach, we don't hide behind pointing the finger at somebody who may be at fault. We make sure everybody is together on those shipments. So things like import of record, customs clearance, harmonization codes, we really help people to ship. So Tushar and I and our team have a lot of experience in going the extra mile, which is a big part of our industry that is sometimes not highlighted so well, but we really spotlight making people feel that we look at all the what ifs. Technology is a massive part of it. I mean, we're very focused on the packaging solutions that are there. And obviously technology of tracking in real-time data, geo-ring fencing of the material and the temperature parameters, right? So we're very focused on innovative technology in the space. We ourselves have brought to market a instant quotation portal. So it's the first of its kind in the industry against the likes of World Courier, Markin, CryoPDP, Quickstat. CoolReach are the first entry in the market to bring instant quotation. So that's a real game changer, and we're very proud to have that as part of our services.